and today we are going to discuss textbook exercise number 4.1. Okay, so in this chapter number 4, determinants. Let's close our eyes. God kindly provide your knowledge and wisdom to solve our mathematics problems and our daily life problems. Thank you, God. Let's start. Alright, let's move on to the first question of exercise number 4.1. For which value of k, determinant k to 4 minus 3 will be 0. And the one, if determinant xy to 4 is equal to 0, find the ratio of x and y, or x is to y. So very simple now, solution, determinant of k minus 2. So according to the question, determinant of k to 4 minus 3 is equal to 0. That time what will be the value of k? Or we can say that at what value of k this becomes as 0. So now you already know that if this is the case, multiply first your diagonal. Minus 3 into k, minus 3k. Then minus 2 into 4, minus 4 2s are 8 is equal to 0. Minus 8, go to that side, plus 8, so minus 3k is equal to 8. So now k is equal to minus 8 upon 3. So that is about your first problem. So like this you have to solve. And next one, we are going to the next question. Same method again, solution xy to 4 modulus, we have modulus not determinant is equal to 0. So now just again same method, apply that multiplication formula, 4 into x 4x minus 2 into y 2y is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 2y, and here y is multiplying comes to your division, so that 4x upon y is equal to 2, and here 4 is multiplying, go to that side, division, so x upon y is equal to 2 upon 4, 1s are 2s are. So now x is to y is equal to 1 is to 2. So this is what your ratio. So very simple questions like this you have to solve, and always remember, if this kind of, if you want to listen this as a simple manner, if you want to remember, this modulus will be like a b c d thing. If that is the case, ad minus bc is a formula. Apply this formula, get your answer. So that is about your first and second. Let's move on to the third. Alright, let's move on to the third problem. If determinant 2 3 y x is equal to 4 and determinant xy 4 2 is equal to 7, then find the values of x and y. So first solve this one, you get one equation, solve this one, you get another equation. So now solution, so I'm writing here, given 2 3 y x is equal to 4, here also xy 4 2 is equal to 7, then ad minus bc 2 into x 2x minus 3 into y 3y is equal to 4, and here 2 into x 2x minus 4 into y 4y is equal to 7. And what I'll do is 1 minus 2 I'll do, so 1 here, and this is your 2, now 1 minus 2, this implies 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. 2x minus 4y is equal to 7. The minus, this becomes as plus, because when you are subtracting, signs will change. And here it is minus. Both get cancelled. 4y minus 3y is nothing but y. Minus 7 plus 4 is nothing but minus 3. So now y is equal to minus 3. This gives us 3. 3 in... you tell to me which equation I want to substitute, whether it is 1 or 2. So let me write here this 3 substitute in, so 3 in 1, I'll substitute in equation number 1. So 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. 2x minus 3 into what is your y? Minus 3. Substitute minus 3, that is equal to 4. 2x minus into minus plus 9 is equal, minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9, and 4. So now plus 9, go to that side, minus 9, 2x is equal to 4 minus 9. 2x is equal to, so 4 minus 9 is nothing but minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 upon 2. So this is the value of x and y. So you got here it is minus 5 upon 2. So x is equal to minus 5 upon 2 at last. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5 upon 2, y is equal to minus 3. So that is about your answers. So in this way you are going to get your answer. So let's move on to the fourth question. So solution for this 4. Find x if x minus 1, det my x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 is equal to 0. Very simple again. So your solution first. These two multiply. I am not writing this. Okay, let me write given x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 is equal to 0. Det. So now AD minus BC. So x minus 1 into x minus 3. If you don't know that, just diagonals multiply and symbol should be minus. So x into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Multiply x into x square. X into minus 3 minus 3x. Minus 1 into x minus x. Minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3. Now minus x into x minus x square. Minus into minus plus 2 into x, 2x is equal to 0. Let me write now minus x square plus x square get cancelled. Minus 3x minus x minus 4x. So let me write minus 4x plus 3 plus 2x is equal to 0. So minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 because minus 4x plus 2x means minus 2x. Now minus 2x go to that side plus 2x. So 2x is equal to 3. So now here 2 is multiplying, go to that side, it is going to be divide. So x is equal to 3 upon 2. So at last you got answer as x is equal to 3 upon 2. So in this way you have to find. Let's move on to the fifth. Alright, let's move on to the fifth question. Write the minors and cofactors of the following determinants. Corresponding to the first column, also find the value of determinants. So in this first question, let me solve. So this is becomes as A11. Alright, this first one it is A11, A12. Sorry, it is A21, A31. So you are understanding? So it is second one indicates that first column, then first one indicates that first row, second row, third row. Okay? So if you remember this, the remaining is very easy. So now here first I'll find minors, then I'll find cofactors. Okay? So minor of 1. First one it is minor of 1. So minor of 1 is equal to, you remove this first row, the column and row you need to leave, and remaining part. Remaining part what is there? Minus 1, 2, 5, 2. Just multiply minus 1 into 2, minus 2, minus 5 2s are 10. So you get answer as minus 12. Next, minor of 4. So in other words, we can call this as A11, A21, and next one it is A31. This is minor of 3. Okay, so these we need to find out now. Now this we need to find out. So minor of 4 means this is 4. This row and this column remove, then what you get? Minus 3, 2, 5, 2. So write minus 3, 2, 5, 2. Just multiply 2 in minus 3 into 2, minus 6, minus 5 2s are 10. So that minus 16 you get. Same method, minor of 3 you want. So here it is 3 is there, means this and this remove, and minus 3, 2. Next minus 1, 2. Just multiply minus 3 2s are minus 6, minus symbol, then minus 1 into 2 minus 2. See, this symbol is in formula, okay? So then minus 6 plus 2 is nothing but minus 4. So now you got all the minors. Now you have to find the cofactors. Now you have to find cofactors. So now cofactors will represent with the F1, right? So first one F11 I want. So F11 means minus 1 all to the power of 1 plus 1 and A11. So then F21 is nothing but minus 1 all to the power of 2 plus 1 A21. Then F31 is nothing but minus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus 1 A31. So now here check carefully, this sum is even number, so that positive. Here 2 plus 1 3 odd number, so that negative, and 3 plus 1 4 it is even number, so that positive. And what is A11? A11 value is minus 12 and A21. So A21 you got as minus 16. So minus into minus plus 16. Next A31 is nothing but minus 4. So just write minus 4. So you got now all the values. Then go and solve now how to find determinant. So determinant, let's say this as matrix A. Then det A is equal to, so here first according to our formula, see whether it is column or row, whichever one you need to take and you have to solve. So now A11, so according so I'll write normal. So A11 F11 plus A21 F21 plus A31 F31. Okay, so A11 means, what do you know? A11 is 1. What is your F11? Minus 12 plus A21. A21 is nothing but 4. F21 you found as 16 plus A31 is nothing but 3. F31 is nothing but minus 4. You multiply minus 12 plus 16 4s are how much? 64 plus, sorry, plus into minus, minus symbol, 3 4s are 12. So 64 minus 12 minus 12 minus 24. So 4 minus 4 0. 6 minus 2 4 40. So you get as 40. So this is about how to solve your first problem of 5. So I hope you all understood how to solve this. So you got answers as minus 12, minus 16, minus 4, as A1, A11, A21, A31, and F11 you got as minus 12, F21 as 16, F31 as minus 4. See, all depend on minors. If you know minors, you are able to solve your cofactors. If you know cofactors, then you are able to solve the determinant. It is very simple. So such a simple one. So solve with same method, this second one as a homework. Okay, so you have to solve this. Once again, listen this carefully. So A11, minor of 1 I want. So because they said that the first column, so you observe carefully, here they given as first column. So that's the reason we are doing for only the first column. So now A11, A21, A31 as first column. So that A11 minor I want. So if I want 1, then this and this need to be removed, whichever the left one, that you need to take as in the det. So minus 1 to 5 to det. So when you find that det, you get answer as minus 1 into 2 minus 2, minus symbol, 5 to 2 are 10, so you get as minus 12. Okay, so same method, A21, A31. Once if you get, then F11 if you want, minus 1 over to the power of 1 plus 1, then A11. This is the formula you completed in this way. So that is about your fifth one. First one and second one is your homework. You complete it in your classwork. So that is about your fifth. Let's move on to the sixth problem. Now let's move on to the sixth problem. Find the value of determinant 3 minus 11 1 5 0 0 minus 10 3 0. That's 3 by 3 matrix and it becomes very easy for you. How it is very easy, just you can observe now. So now just write as it is given. 3 minus 11 1 5 0 0 minus 10 3 0. See, easily you want, you take anything. So here two zeros are there, it becomes as easy calculation. So you may consider this second row or you may consider third column. So whichever you want you use. So I go for this third column so that it becomes as very easy. So now whichever this very easy because 0 0 is there so that it becomes easy. So now according to this formulas, have you remembered the formulas that I said to you? Remember the symbols. So first symbol is what? Plus minus plus minus plus minus. Next one plus minus plus. So now if I take this, what is first symbol? Plus, next one minus, next one plus. So it is very easy for you now to solve. So now first this is equal to 1 into, then what is, if you take 1, remove this part and this part, only you take this minor. So that is 5 0 minus 10 3. Next one symbol minus 0 into, so this is 0 0 into, what is remaining? 3 minus 11 minus 3 10. 3 minus 11 minus 10 3. Okay, so when you take the, consider this 0, this and this cannot be, and whichever left that you need to write. So next one here, plus symbol 0 into, your minor will be here, this and this remove, so that 3 minus 11 5 0. 3 minus 11 5 0. See, here important point is whichever element you are taking, that row and so that column, that row, both need to be removed, and whichever the elements are left, 4 elements are going to be left, that 4 elements you have to write. Okay, so now, so here 1 into, and this part already you know what is that, 5 3s are 15 minus 10 into 0. So it is, if you want I'll write as into 0. Minus 0 into any number 0 plus 0 into any number 0. Now 150 minus 10 into 0 0. Minus 0 plus 0 0. So 1 into 15 15. Then 1 into 0 0. All zeros can be removed. So only what is your answer now? 15. So you will get answer as 15. So that is about how to find determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So it is, remember carefully, if you want to find 3 by 3 order or order 3 determinant, so you can take any row, any column, but always remember that if zeros are more is that takes, so that it becomes very easy calculation for you. Okay, that is only the shortcut. And let's move on to the 7th question. Alright, the next is I prove that det 3 by 3 order or order 3 det they given, and we need to find the answer as, we need to prove answer as 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, and it is very simple. So you just go through it and you can complete it. It is very simple one. So first the solution given 1a b minus a 1 c minus b minus c 1. So first one plus symbol minus symbol plus symbol, direct normally I can write. So 1 into, directly writing now. Okay, 1 ones are 1 minus c into c minus c square. So I write minus c square. I am writing directly without minus, directly writing. Okay, or you have already one formula, you can use that formula also, which I was explained, that Sarras rule. Go for that Sarras rule and complete it also. But I'll go in this method because it is useful for many problems. So next minus symbol, and here a is there, a, and which I have left here, minus a into 1 minus a, then minus b into c minus bc, and here minus symbol formula minus bc. Next, plus b, so right here plus b into minus a into minus c plus ac. Next, minus b into 1 minus b, so minus symbol then minus b. So let me simplify. 1 into 1, okay, first 1 minus into minus plus c square minus a minus into minus plus bc plus b into AC minus into minus plus b. So let me check what we are going to get. 1 plus c square minus into minus plus a square into a square, right? Minus into plus minus abc plus abc plus into plus plus b square plus abc minus abc get cancelled. What is left? 1, and write in the order plus a square plus b square plus c square. So that is about your RHS. So you took LHS and proved RHS, so that hence it is proved. I hope you have understood this, and it is very very simple. If still you have any doubt, you can ask me in the YouTube comment section so that I can help you. So this is about your exercise number 4.1. I hope you all understood this. May God bless you.